welcome back to the channel. I want to talk about this because Ethereum is like Apple, okay? Apple consistently goes up over time and so does Ethereum. Now, why isn't everyone making money just holding Ethereum like they would hold Apple? It's because of distractions. I keep talking about this all the time. I figured I'd do a video about it. So stay tuned till the end of the video so you understand how to make money consistently and smartly in crypto and in stocks. Doesn't matter what you buy as long as it follows this simple strategy. So you want to make money in crypto or in stocks, and you want to do it stress-free, because when you buy into these companies, it's an emotional roller coaster if you don't know what you're doing. If you just listen to headlines, you just watch Twitter, you go on Stock Twitch, you go on social media, and you see people pumping something or talking about it, you buy in and you lose. This video is good for you. So like I said, Ethereum is like Apple. So Apple is a blue chip, just like Ethereum is a blue chip coin. They both consistently go up steadily over time, but not everyone's becoming rich. And that's because of distractions. Distractions like SHIB, Doge, SPACs. We had the big SPAC boom when it comes to stocks. So that was all distraction. The SPAC boom happened when all of the stocks were way down, and after the Rona crash and they needed to come up, everyone was buying these retail stocks, airline stocks, restaurant stocks, all of your blue chip stocks. But if everyone just held those, everyone would become rich and inflation would be even worse. So what happened? SPACs started popping up. They popped up everywhere. Pump and dumps popped up. We had the AMC, GME frenzy. All of these were just distractions to get people off of the companies that really mattered. So now that you understand that market movers distract you from the real companies that just simply go up, all you gotta do is find Apple, find Tesla, find Amazon, the biggest blue chip stocks, and just hit buy and walk away. And you'll be as successful as the whales are. But people don't do that because they're easily distracted with returns that they see from a friend that made millions of dollars on Doge. Some guy that put 10,000 in at 0.000001, they made a lot of money. And you're like, oh, I wanna do that too. I'm tired of 2% gains a day. I want 50% gains a day. I wanna make money faster. Distraction has worked. You've been distracted and you exited a good company. Now you lost all your money because this coin or stock went all the way down and your Apple continued to rise. You're like, man, if only I held Apple. So looking at Ethereum, for example, here's the chart of Ethereum. All you have to simply do is when in doubt, zoom out. I'm sure you've heard that phrase before. You zoom out here and it just goes up. Buy it at any point. As of today, you're in the green. So like for example, with the SPACs, everyone got trapped with the SPACs and retail was able to run up. So this is what's happening with Ethereum. Ethereum keeps going up, but people are being distracted by all these other coins. There's so many other coins. Bitcoin is another one that just goes up as well. A lot of other altcoins are going up as well. They're all going up, but they're riskier. Let's look at XRP. It's not doing as well as Ethereum. Bitcoin Cash, not as well. ADA in the toilets. Crypto.com, it's not at all-time highs. ETH is the highest coin at all-time highs when all these other coins are much lower. Ethereum is the best go-to blue chip coin out of any other crypto coin there is. There's many other coins that obviously give more gains in a shorter period of time, but we're not talking about riskier speculative plays. We're talking about almost guaranteed plays like Ethereum. Ethereum just goes up solid and smooth. All the other coins you can make 300% a day. But then you're back on that emotional roller coaster where you're like, man, I held too long, now I'm in the toilets. I wish I held ETH. So that's what we're talking about. So here's a look at my long-term portfolio. I'm just gonna show you Ethereum over here on this column. I'll blur everything else out because this is only available to my Retire Young Pro members. Link in the description if you want access to my long-term portfolio. You can see what I'm holding because I'm up a lot. And all I'm doing is simply buying once and holding. If any stock or crypto coin lags behind, I'm switching it out, which rarely happens. So if you want access to a long-term portfolio, if you're a busy person and you just want to know what's the best, think about signing up for Retire Young Pro. Link is in the description. So here is the column here. I bought ETH at $3,000 just 3 months ago. I'm up 55% on only a $7,000 investment. There's a much bigger portfolio here. I have many other portfolios, but this is just available to my Discord Patreon members to show them that this simple investment, and you could use any investment amount, will grow over time if you pick these solid blue chip coins and stocks. So this portfolio has both. So you can see in the columns here, this is September, October, November, and December. So, well, it would be the previous month. So this would actually be how well I did the previous month. So 55% Ethereum went up in the month of November. So that is the results on the long-term portfolio. And Ethereum is going to keep booming. Everyone's ready for a bear market. You might be wondering, is it still safe to get in? Even though the bear market is coming, it's still safe until there's signs that it's not safe. So obviously buying at the top here, going all in, is not the best strategy. I always talk about dollar cost averaging, slowly buying in. If you have $5,000 to invest, or let's say $500. If you have $500 to invest, you put $100 in here, it dips down, you're happier now. You shouldn't be upset saying, oh no, it's fallen. I just bought it, why is it falling? You should be like, oh, I could get it even cheaper now. You put another $100 in. It falls some more, put another $100 in. Be happy on those dips. Other people, when it dips, they sell out, they get angry, they get upset. They're too emotional, not knowing you're getting a discount. It's going to keep going up. You just have to be patient. And if it goes up, put 100 in. Just keep putting hundreds in until you max out that 500. Over time, you'll have a good average rather than going all in at the current price. So like I said, if you need help knowing when to buy and sell stocks or crypto coins, you want to see my portfolio, you want to get those alerts when I make these purchases and sell orders, check out that link in the description to learn more about Retire Young Pro. So that's it. Ethereum is going to hit at least 5K by the end of the year, at least. Many other coins are going to do very well as well. But if you don't want the emotional roller coaster, Ethereum is the go-to. That's it. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe if you're new to the channel. Don't forget, when you hit that button, it's going to get you a little bit closer to retiring young.